So hello guys, welcome back to the Piston Lover YouTube channel. I'm your video host Abhijit, and today we are going to see the 5 best bike under 1 lakh in India. So without further ado, let's start the video.
You're a superhero.
First bike in our list is TVS RTR Apache 160. This is the perfect value for money bike which comes with BS6 compliant engine and single channel ABS but still cost under 1 lakh. The TVS RTR Apache 160 comes with 159.7cc single cylinder 4-stroke fuel injected BS6 engine which produces 15.53 PS power at 8400 rpm and 13.9 Nm torque at 7000 rpm. TVS RTR Apache 160 comes with 5 and mileage would be around 45 to 50 km per liter. TVS RTR Apache 160 comes with 90 by 90 17 inches tire with the telescopic spoke in front and 110 by 80 17 inches tubeless tires with monotube inverted gas filled shock suspension in back. Apache 160 comes with the two pricing variants. One is single disc with single ABS for 94,000. Another one is dual disc with single channel ABS for 97,000. Overall, one of the best commuter segment naked sports bike under 1 lakh. Next bike in the list is Yamaha FZS version 3. FZS version 3 is one of the Yamaha's best selling bike with the additional features like digital instrument console, single channel ABS, BS6 engine and LED headlights. FZS version 3 is a muscular looking commuter segment naked sports bike with the 12.8 liter of fuel tank. If we look at the engine specifications, Yamaha FZS version 3 comes with 149cc single cylinder air cooled 4-stroke SOHC 2-valve fuel injection BS6 engine. FZ produces 13.2 PS power at 8000 rpm and 12.8 Nm torque at 6000 rpm. So comparing to the BS4 version, there is a slight difference in the BS6 version. FZS comes in one standard variant with dual disc single channel ABS which costs 98,000 ex-showroom. Next bike in the list is Honda SP125. Honda SP125 is one of the best budget friendly bike for everyone. Honda has made many changes in BS6 version. SP125 comes with 124cc single cylinder 4-stroke air cooled engine which produces maximum power 10.8 PS power at 7500 rpm and maximum torque 10.9 Nm torque at 6000 rpm. Honda SP125 comes with two variants, one with the drum brake which costs 72,000 and another one is the disc brake which costs 77,000. Overall, one of the best bike under 1 lakh for daily commuters and office users. Fourth bike in our list is Bajaj Pulsar 150. Bajaj Pulsar 150 comes with a halogen headlight in the front and LED tail lights in the back. Pulsar 150 comes with 18 by 100 17 inches tubeless tire with telescopic spoke suspension in front and 100 by 90 17 inches tubeless tire, twin shock, gas filled suspension in back. Pulsar 150 comes with 149.5cc single cylinder 4-stroke SOHC 2-valve DDSI FI engine which produces maximum power 14 PS power at 8500 rpm and maximum torque 13.25 Nm torque at 6500 rpm. Bajaj Pulsar 150 UG5 twin disc with single channel costs 98,000 ex-showroom. Final bike in our list is Hero Xtreme 200S. Xtreme 200S is a fully fair 200cc sport bike which comes under 1 lakh. Bike looks very attractive. We get LED headlight and LED tail light in both front and back. Also we get a tank pad to reduce the scratches. Hero Xtreme 200S comes with 199.6cc single cylinder air cooled 4-stroke 2 valves BS4 engine which produces 18.4 PS power at 8000 rpm and 17.1 Nm torque at 6500 rpm. We get telescopic suspension with 100 by 18 17 inches tubeless tire in front and 7-step adjustable monoshock suspension with 130 by 70 17 inches tubeless tire in back. Hero Xtreme 200S comes with digital instrument console and single channel ABS which cost 1 lakh ex-showroom. These are the 5 best budget bikes in India. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.